Hi, in this video I'll be showing you this. It's the Dyson AM06 cooling fan, and this is one of the starter models in Dyson's range of fans. And as it shows here, this is the Dyson Cool, so it's just the cool model. It's not the hot and cold fan like one of the other models, and it's not got the purifier built in like some of the models as you go up in the range. So really what I want to do today is get it plugged in, switched on, and just really to show you some of the features and benefits that it offers. So let's have a look. Now when you get the fan first out of the box, you will notice that you've got some numbers here, and installation wise there is next to nothing. All you need to do is just match the two ones together and then turn it. So that's it, a little bit stiff, but turn it so that it clicks into place. And as far as the initial installation, that's it. So as I say, very easy. So just really to clear something up, that although this says Dyson Cool, it is a fan, it's not an air conditioning unit. I've had several comments on some of my other videos that I've done on some of the other Dyson fans saying that it doesn't cool the air down. And what it does do is it uses something called air multiplier technology to basically draw the air in to the fan and then accelerate it out, so it gives you the illusion that the air is cool. But all it's doing is just speeding the air up. So if the air in the room is quite hot, then it won't actually cool the air down. So the first thing you'll notice is it does come with a small remote control. And to turn the fan on, all you need to do is press the top left button. And you can see when it's on, because you've got the number at the front. So clearly that's number 1 at the moment, so it is on, but it's on a very low setting. And to turn it up, all you need to do is use the left hand button here, and what you can do is you can increase that up to number 10, and hopefully you can hear the difference, and I can really feel the difference just there at the front. And then to turn it back down, you just use the button at the bottom there to reduce it. What you can do is you have got the facility to have it on a timer. So that's 15 minutes, 30 minutes. This goes all the way up to 9 hours. So if you like a fan on when you're asleep in bed, then what you can do is you can set it so that you can have the timer function on, so that after 9 hours or however long, that will count down and then it will turn off. What you've also got the option to do is to oscillate the fan, and top right on the remote control, if you press that button, then that will rotate around. And you might not be able to hear it, well hopefully you can't hear it, because when it's oscillating it really is quiet. And even the noise level of the fan, I know it's only on the lowest setting at the moment, but even when it's on a medium to high setting, even then it is extremely quiet, especially compared to a normal fan. To store the remote control, because as mentioned earlier it is quite small, you can just pop it on the top, so it is magnetic on there. And again, it's a little thing that Dyson have done, but to provide that facility to store the remote on top, I think is genius. And then what you've also got is the on and off button on the front. So I did mention earlier that you can turn it on and off using that button there, but if you want to, you can just press the button on the front and it turns the fan on and off. Another great thing you can do is you can actually tilt it forwards or backwards. So you can tilt it backwards like that, or forwards, and that can make quite a difference. So if you've got a table that you would sit the fan on, then it might not be at the level that you want. So if it's a bit higher, then position it like that, and then when it's switched on, and even when it's in that position, then you can still have it oscillating like that. So although on the front here it shows 300mm, the actual size of the fan is just under 36 centimeters wide and 55.5 centimeters high. So it is quite a nice compact design. What you'll also find, as far as the maintenance on the fan goes, is there really isn't a lot to do. So the only thing we recommend is to get a cloth and just wipe it round, just to keep this nice and clean and on the outside. And every now and then just get a brush and just brush around here, just to make sure there's no dust or any debris around here. But you can take this off and just make sure everything is clean inside, again just to make sure there's no dust or anything inside. But really you shouldn't have to do it, especially if you're keeping all of the areas around the fan nice and clean. If you're thinking of purchasing one of these fans, I have provided a link below to show you where to get one at a competitive price. I hope you enjoyed the quick video on the Dyson AM06 cooling fan. Please give us a thumbs up on a YouTube video, leave any comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.